Hi everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca, your piano teacher. If you want to discover about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel in the description of this video. I'm leaving the link below. And you can also find the link for my artistic channel. Now let's go to our lesson. Today is time to talk about the annual fair, the study in Wrist Staccato on page 8 and 9 of John Thompson's Easiest Piano Course, Part 3. This is a very interesting one for applying even more what you have learned on the previous page, on the Ristacato page, with some folks do and the exercise in Ristacato. By the way, I have to definitely say thank you very much to all the virtual students that have been watching that video. Unexpected due to the small amount of subscribers at the moment, but I'm very glad that you have appreciated. And thanks also to all of you that have subscribed and now is part of my virtual students. Anyways, in this one, even more, we should definitely apply what we have learned in on the previous page with the Wrist Staccato. It's quite simple. More than ever, I want to keep suggesting to count these 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3, and let's explain why. There are two important reasons. The first one comes from the staccato itself. The second reason is the couple of quavers, also them staccato. Now let's go straight on to the practice. I will play really slowly at first, and then I will play at a higher speed. The position of the right hand is the one of O Susanna. So because you have the hand almost in position Thompson part 1, but you have to stretch out the thumb to play the B, that is ear. Ear. We have one more B ear, one ear, and that's it. So, right hand, position definitely Thompson part 1, and also the left hand. The left hand obviously will need to play simply the G and B ear, and the G and C ear. So, that's why you might maybe keep the thumb on the piano edge here, yeah, okay? So, let's go now. By the way, the dynamic in this one, since you know already about dynamics, is simply mezzo piano, is moderately soft, for the whole piece. Not to worry too much, and you have only one extra note that has been explained here, yeah? So indeed I suggest you to name all the notes here. You see you have G, A and B, 3 new notes that are going to complete the previous package of notes. And which one is this G? This G is, so if this one is the one that is in the 4th space of the bass clef stave, the one that you need exactly here is just 1 octave below and is here. Et voila. So is the following G. Now let's try to play it hand in position. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 1 and 2 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 1 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 and 2 and 1 and 2 and and 1 and 2 and 3 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 and 1 and 2 and stop. Okay, this is the Animal Fair played slowly. Now I want to show you how you might play it, enjoying it even more at a faster speed. I will simply articulate even more. You will see that it's definitely worth and useful the articulation of the wrist. So you apply exactly the wrist staccato that you have learned in the previous one and that you here are applying even more. Let's go now to the keyboard. I won't be counting that much loud, yeah, because I will try to play quite fast, since allegretto is, what does it mean? Let's see if you all remember. Is light and lively, okay? If allegro is fast, allegretto is a little bit less than allegro. Now let's play 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 2. Et voila! It's really nice, it's funny, it's a pleasure playing this one. So let's re-simplify everything. I suggest you to watch over and over again the video made regarding some folks doing the wrist staccato on page 7, yeah? But then, in this one, let's repeat again, how do you play staccato? So staccato means detached. The best way is to think that your hand is bouncing on the keyboard, yeah? And how to keep the speed steady and to maintain the consistency of your counting and of the sound itself. You can simply count 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and... So sound, when you go down on the number, you release on the end. It's a very mechanical way, but it definitely works, like in old practice. Apply these methods now, you will see the result in the future. So, for the wrist staccato, this is the simple method. You have to simply remember that you have a new note here, that is the G, but we've already been talking about. You find it here. Don't forget to write the letter names and to practice memorizing even more all the notes. You have to master all the notes. There are many ways, as you know, for mastering the notes on the lines, in the spaces. My private students, they know already how to, the advanced ones. Up to Thompson the beginning of Thompson part 3, I prefer to help the student memorizing the notes using the photographic memory and complete the writing exercise. No big problems regarding dynamics. It's quite simple. If you play doing what I've told you, there is no way that you can't play this one. So anyways, if you have any question, extra question, don't hesitate to comment, to contact me. Okay? Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.